Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the BSS Tech. So today we are introducing how to make an account on Upwork. So let's start. Simply open the website of Upwork on Google Chrome and simply click on get started. Now if you are making a freelancer account or a client hiring for a project account, so we are creating a freelancer looking for work, so click on I am a freelancer looking for work and apply as a freelancer. Now if you want to add your details, you can also simply select the Google account of yours. It's like I am continuing with Google. Just like I have selected that account, my Google. You can first select your country from where you are creating your account. I am from Pakistan, so I have selected Pakistan. Now agree to the terms and policies of Upwork and click on yes, I understand and agree to the Upwork terms of service and click on create my account. Now simply next click on get started. Now let manage your experience. If you are new, you can select nope, it's new to me. If you have tried already for freelancing, you can simply I have tried but it still might need tips. Or if you are a freelancer or you are now hiring on no, it's new to me. Now select the reason for making account on Upwork. So I am just to get experience so I can find a full-time job. Now skip for now. Just skip for now. Upload your fill out manually. Now here simply write your profession or the work you are expert in. Just like I am expert in video editing, so I am here writing a video editor. Next, in the next step, add your experience. Click on add experience. Now simply company concept. Islamabad. Now coming to the next point, add your description here. Now simply add your description here. So I have added my description. You can simply add your description. Now save. Now add your education. Add education. I have just like I have passed. Next, add your languages. My level is fluent. Now second language, I know Urdu. My level is fluent. Sindhi. Fluent. Now share your skills. Video editing. Now you have to share your skills. What are the skills you have? Just I have video. Now write your bio. Simply write your bio. Simply click choose your area of work. I am offering video editing, so here in this design and creative, video and animation. Set your rate 15, not 150, it's 15. Pakistan. Street address. Put your street address here. City. Put your city. Put your postal code of your city here. Now simply enter your number here, just like I am entering. Now simply click on check your profile. Now click on submit profile. Click on view my profile. Click on see public view. Now here is your profile is ready. You can, and that was the process to make account on Upwork. Thank you.